What is business ethics? Broadly construed, business ethics refers to the implementation of appropriate business policies and practices about arguably controversial subjects. Some issues that come up in a discussion of business ethics include corporate governance, insider trading, bribery, discrimination, social responsibility, and fiduciary responsibilities. Hence, business ethics is formally defined as the study of appropriate business policies and practices regarding potentially controversial subjects including corporate governance, insider trading, bribery, discrimination, corporate social responsibility, and fiduciary responsibilities. It is important to note that while the law often guides business ethics, at other times, business ethics provide a basic guideline that businesses can choose to follow to gain public approval. Business ethics overlaps significantly with what is often called corporate social responsibility, that is, a movement calling on corporations to be responsible not just to shareholders, but to the society and the ecosystem in which it operates. But it must be noted that the field of business ethics is interested in more than just social and environmental responsibilities. Let's take cheating the company as an example. Here, a solid ethics policy should clearly outline the procedure employees should follow if they need to take time off, leave early, or start late. If the company does not spell out these procedures, employees might be tempted to handle these matters on their own. They might claim to be meeting a client at the end of the workday, when instead they are leaving early to catch a ball game on TV. They might claim to be at a workshop for the first half of the day, when instead they are sneaking in some extra sleep. Hence, the company or business institution should make sure its ethics policy contains a provision telling the employees how they can request time off even for personal matters. Dealing with abusive behavior and actions is another example of a situation where business ethics is important. As we can see, any effective ethics policy forbids abusive behavior in the workplace. It isn't just good business to have policies against abusive behavior. In fact, it's the law. Because it is the law, many employers don't think about adding abusive behavior to company ethics rules. But business ethics in the workplace requires listing not just the rules, but the ramifications of abusive behavior. This kind of behavior can take many forms. Employees might engage in sexual harassment, bully other workers, tell inappropriate or offensive jokes, display pornography on their computer screens, or steal from co-workers or the company. Hence, the company's ethics policy must explicitly state that all such actions are forbidden at work. It also needs to spell out the punishments or repercussions of such actions. As we can see, business ethics is important because it ensures that a certain basic level of trust exists between employers, employees, consumers, and various forms of market participants with businesses. Hence, with its ethics properly put in place, the company, or a business institution, does not just ensure smooth relations between employees, and between employer and employees, but it also ensures that the consumers and the public as a whole receive fair treatment.